Why did this candlestick pattern fail and this one worked, and yet they look the same? Let me show you why step by step. Let's start with this pin bar candlestick pattern that failed. In order to understand what's going wrong with this candlestick pattern, we need to look at the details of it. And the best way to see the details is by going down to a smaller time frame. In this case, we are on a daily time frame. Then we need to go down to 1 hour time frame. So on this time frame, you will notice two important things. The first thing you will notice is that the pin bar candlestick pattern is made up of two legs, the left and the right leg. Secondly, you will notice the struggles or the strengths of the leg of this pin bar. Let's analyze these legs in detail, starting on the left leg. So if you pay attention in this leg, you will notice that the candles were going down with strong momentum, and the strength signals the power of the sellers or bears. You will see how this becomes powerful when I break down the example that worked. Now let's look into the right leg. If you look at the right leg candlesticks, they look struggling compared to the left leg. There is a lot of wicks at the top of the candles, which symbolizes the weakness of buyers or bulls. So now if I ask you a question, which leg had the strongest momentum? Then the answer would be the left leg, without a doubt. Then this would be the reason why this pin bar candlestick pattern failed. So the important part to take note of is, although this looks like a classic pin bar, but the bears showed much stronger control. You will see in a second how the candlestick pattern that worked looks like. So now let's move over to the candlestick pattern that worked and analyze it in detail. Also here, in order to get the details of this candlestick pattern, we need to go down to the smaller time frame, which is 1 hour in this case. And here we'll start by looking at the left leg. You will notice that the left leg seemed to be going down with an okay strength or momentum. Look at how the candlesticks are not pushing down with strong momentum. So now if you look into the right leg, you will see that the candlesticks are very strong compared to the left leg. And they are very tall as well, with wicks at the bottom of candles. And if you ask the same question here, which leg is stronger, the answer would be obvious, the right leg. And that's why this candlestick pattern worked. The takeaway here is that if the pin bar candlestick pattern is bullish, then you want the right leg to be stronger than the left leg.